Yeah man, so that was the white mark when you mark it. Yeah man, if you can see the mark there. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am in Manchester. Yeah man, there's a water rise. One place them call him Kirkvine Content. So I'm gonna show you that area guys. So keep on watching. I'm at the roundabout in the New Green area. Yes guys, Mandeville, Manchester, water rising. You can see it. This is the Pickapeppa area. Yes man, so I'm giving an update. You know, say from Hurricane Melissa. I think, you know, and today is the 19th of November. And in Manchester, water is still rising. So this is a major concern to everyone in the area. Yeah man, the water still rise, same way feet around here, say I want a river. So I'm showing you, see that's the Pickapeppa factory right there. Everybody's supposed to know the Pickapeppa factory. That's where you get to the pepper and the seasoning. The side is right up there. And this is what we can see right here. Yes guys, yeah man, the water rise. It's straight, you can see straight over Windalco. And it's like about weeks, days, and the water still up. So anybody from this area, if you know much about this area, if you want to share something in the comment section, you can share it. Yeah man, so it's a concern to our people in this community, because if this keep on rising, you know what it's gonna be. Yeah man, one gate right over there. One gate right over there, it get covered. Yeah man. No normal my people. So guys, this is the direction coming from Christiana direction, Kirkvine. Yeah man. So I'm gonna show you how that area stay. Yeah man, they have dung power lines. Yeah man, dung power lines and stuff. So I'm gonna take you to the water area. Yeah man, a lot of water rising. Days on top of days. Don't know how far this will go. Whole heap of water on people. Thank you, Zane. Man, Zane. Bless up. Yeah man, so we just reach the location, so we don't know when and when this water go dry. Days. Yeah man, days before this dry. You know? Yeah man, see it? See a lot of different, them call them things. Tadpoles, a lot of tadpoles in the water.
I'm not sure I'll go on that side, you see.
A lot of tadpoles in the water, babe. And that's over there, that is the Windalco sign. That is the Windalco gate. All of the egg gate they block off. Yeah man, all of the egg gate they block off, so it's not a good look, my people. Yeah man, so something to be concerned about to our citizen. Yeah man, see people live up on the hill there. Some don't know how them get out of them location. But it's nothing normal right here today, guys. The 19th of November.
Going to know what's going to happen after the question.
So you can leave in the comment section or you know what go on. If you're from this area, yeah man, like, share and subscribe. Make other people can see what go on. A lot of people travel them routes here, you know. Go to Christiana, Sparlings, Cave Valley, St. Ann them place there. So spread the message, you know. And make them know what go on in this area. So this is another section, my people. Yeah man, so I'm giving an update on this section. Still November the 19th. Yeah man. Water rise same way. So let's see what's happening. Yeah man, so up there we're giving an update November 19th. Yeah man, so that was the white mark with the market. Yeah man, we can see the mark there.
I like a roof there. No, he actually cover. That's the only price, you know.
I tell you the sign of the landmark. The sign?
Yeah.
That's the sign. The viewpoint sign.
I'll ask you to move forward by the card with an post. See the card and see what I look how far down the ground.
I say if all of these debris wasn't there, it would have maybe clear a little.
Yeah, once I'm gonna look at bush again. So I go on with people.
Good afternoon, Mr. Man.
Well, to my belief in this area, before it was much taller than this, so I believe it has subsided in this area. Yeah man, like it a jar.